To make a simple pulao rice, the ghee is hot. I put around 1 ladle of ghee, clarified butter, then whole spices, cloves, cardamom and peppercorns, onion sliced, so once after around 3 minutes we can add in the rice. The rice is soaked for 30 minutes, drained, and now add it in. Mix it in with powdered cardamom and powdered mace. Lemon juice, and keep the lemon also, and if you have lime you can put both. Just throw it in. That gives a nice flavor. Now add in salt. For 1 kilo rice, the water should be exact 1.7 kilo, or you can measure in liter both. Boil and just add it in. Now you bring it to a boil, so water gets absorbed till the rice level. We can keep it covered and on a slow flame and leave it there for 6 minutes covered, and then close it and leave it once the stove is off, leave it for another 6 minutes, and then you can open. So now the water is absorbed. I'm just breaking some mint leaf, some saffron strands, reduce the fire to the bare minimum. Now close with a tight lid, leave it there for 6 minutes. So after 6 minutes of cooking and 6 minutes of resting, we just open it and see. Yeah, it's perfect. You can see the rice is fully done. Yeah, perfect. So that's good enough for the pulao. And if you want to make the biryani, you can just use this for layering the sauce. Perfect. You can see the rice.